How to fix post unavailable problem on TikTok. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick TikTok fixes. If you see post unavailable on TikTok, here are the real reasons and fixes. First, the video may be deleted or set to private by the creator. In this case, the post cannot be viewed. Second, the video may be restricted in your region. TikTok sometimes limits content by country. Third, check if the account blocked you. If you're blocked, their posts will show as unavailable. Fourth, refresh the app. Close TikTok completely and reopen it, then try again. Fifth, clear TikTok cache. Go to TikTok, then Settings and Privacy, then Cache and Cellular Data, then Clear Cache. Sixth, update TikTok to the latest version. Older versions can cause loading errors. Seventh, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Pro tip, if the post works for others but not you, it's usually due to privacy, blocking, or regional limits, not a bug. That's it. Now you know how to fix the TikTok post unavailable problem. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment "solved" below.